What's up, guys? I'm John Zomer, and we're here with Mars on the shop tour. Yeah. Oh, it takes it. Oh, no.
Is that like Coke in a can?
Something in the can.
Start faster. Well, that sounds terrible.
Man. I'd have a GT if I could afford one.
Oh, you.
You've had one twice. Yeah.
If you ever replace it, I'll take it. No. That car can't go anywhere.
Is this like really amusing to everybody?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, me or you would be like, screw it, I'm just gonna stay wet. Oh, I mean, we would have had our hard top up like 20 minutes ago.
Oh, I can't get that one.
We would have done it at the light.
One thing I missed about not gonna reach.
No, that's not fine. This
Good enough.
Grab here.
The tour of a lifetime, right here with me, Jigger Dorn.